Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2813 5304. This error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later. If the problem persists, please restart Nintendo eShop and try again. If restarting does not fix the problem, please refer to the Nintendo support website." As per our research, this error mainly appears when users try to make a purchase through the Nintendo eShop. Some users reported successful payment deductions, but the content like moonstones or a game was not delivered. According to our findings, the error may be related to a temporary issue with Nintendo's online services, an outdated system, or a minor glitch that can be fixed with a restart. The first thing you should try is to power cycle your Nintendo console. Simply turn off the console completely, wait for a few minutes and restart it. Then check if the error still comes. If you still have the error, then visit the official Nintendo Network status page by going to nintendo.co.jp/netinfo/in_us/index.html. Check if there are any reported issues with Nintendo services. If the Nintendo services are working fine, check if your console is up to date. If there is a pending update, install it and try your purchase again. In case everything looks fine but the error still appears, wait for a few hours and try again. If the error continues for too long, we suggest you reach out to Nintendo support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.